toilet and bath, you will find your kitchen cabinet or your service area. Now let's go to your bedroom. This is your secondary bedroom. Now let's go to your master's bedroom. This is your master's bedroom. Both units have a provision for a window-type aircon, and in master's bedroom, you have your access to your bathroom. If you're interested to acquire to any DMCI Homes properties, you may reach me through my contact details posted in this video. Thank you for watching.